Hello everybody, this is Chris Rocha. Thanks for coming to my channel and to my Dropfunnels review. So if you don't know what Dropfunnels is, so Dropfunnels is a drag and drop landing page and sales funnel builder that is built on WordPress. That's, as you know, is one of the most popular and also powerful website infrastructure around. With this infrastructure, you get the speed and the SEO capabilities that you need to make your sales page rank on the search engines. That means free traffic, right? And consequently, sales for you. So I don't know. I never used Dropfunnels before, but I believe that to give you a full review and an honest review, I should try it. So what are we going to do here? Dropfunnels offers a 14-day free trial, so I'm gonna jump in, register myself, and let's see here step by step. And after 14 days, actually within the 14 days, because I don't want to pay if I'm not gonna stick with it. Within the 14 days of the trial, I'll come back to you guys to give you my honest feedback of what I found about Dropfunnels during my trial. Okay, so let's go here. Let's click. Okay, so here it gives me two options, right? So it gives me the starter plan that is $49 a month after the trial, and the pro plan that is $147 a month after trial. So both of them offer me the 14-day free trial. I honestly don't think I need the pro account. Let's see here. As you know, my blog is still a small blog. So the only difference here, and that's something that I like about Dropfunnels, is that they don't skimp on features. So everything that is offered on a starter plan is also offered on a pro plan, with the only limitation being the number of visitors a month. Okay, so for the starter plan I can have up to 10,000 visitors per month, and the pro plan gives me up to 250,000 visitors per month. Okay, so one other thing that I like about Dropfunnels is that the starter plan offers me unlimited funnels and funnel steps, as well as the pro plan. And this is something I don't have today on what I use. I use Clickfunnels. This is not what I have. I use the basic plan, so it is there is a limited number of funnels that I can build. And I'm actually almost reaching that, so I'm looking now to have to pay more when I reach that limit of funnels created. So I'm not really happy about that, because that would increase my expense by a lot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to register, and I'm gonna go with the starter plan. So it just goes back with launch the Dropfunnels starter plan, $49 a month after try, just making sure that I know what I'm signing for, right? With lifetime price lock, that's great. So that means that I'm always going to be paying $49, no surprises after I am with the plan for a while. Yes, it tells me here what I'm getting. Has some testimonials of an agency owner and a digital marketer, both giving 5 stars. What else? Risk-free, 14-day trial, cancel at any time. And here I'll enter my information. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back to you in 13 days to let you know what my decision was, how my experience with Dropfunnels was, and if I'm going to keep Dropfunnels, or if I'm going to keep using the funnel company I use today. Alright? So I'll see you in 13 days. See you later. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm back. So 13 days have passed since I created my account with Dropfunnels, and I'm here to give you my feedback about it. So in this 13 days, I realized that Dropfunnels really is a great service. It is actually better than I expected. As you can see here, this is my my dashboard. One of the things that I like is that if you look here on the side here, this is pretty much what my current website, my current blog looks like. So I can go over the posts and pages. So everything looks the same, pretty much the same. But here we have additions, right? So here I can build my funnels, keep track of my leads, my sales, my products. I can create a membership website and have a control of my members here. Here I control my integrations. I can actually link, I can track my links inside of my dashboard. Here you can have you have a lot of trainings here. You have access to your Facebook community. So what I'm doing now, I am transferring what I have in my current blog, on my CEO Pathway blog, to my Dropfunnels blog. So what I'm using now is I'm using a subdomain, a Dropfunnels subdomain that you get it immediately after you register for the service, even when you are on your 14-day trial. So they give you a subdomain. So this is what I'm using now until I finish transferring all my posts and my funnels from my blog and from Clickfunnels to Dropfunnels. So this is a little bit of work. I could have paid someone to do it. They offered us this service, but I didn't want to do it. I want to do it myself because I want to make some changes in the post while I transfer. And I want to do the funnels as same thing, I want to make some adjustments to my funnels while I transfer them to Dropfunnels. But in general, as I'm saying, so I am going to stick with Dropfunnels because I'm impressed with the service. One thing that I noticed right away is that the page load is really fast. It's much faster than I had at my current blog and in my current funnels. So not long ago, I did an analysis of my page speed, and and while I was loading at a good speed on a laptop and desktop, it was very slow on mobile, so it actually gave me a red light for that, so I wasn't happy. And now I can see that my pages load really fast on everything, so that's a good thing. I don't know if you know that, but Google doesn't like when our pages load slowly. You actually get penalized by that, and also you lose customers, right? Because if you have visitors on your page and your page doesn't load fast enough, they can just click out of your website altogether. And the same thing goes for the funnels, right? You can just lose that customer. So I am like I'm saying, I'm gonna be using Dropfunnels from now on. One thing that I think is really good is because they offer the SSL certificate. They have the SEO already, the framework set. Once you start your blog, it has the link tracker, like I said. That's very good. The hosting is already included, so I'm gonna cut down on that cost that I have today, so that the hosting is a good saving. And here I'm using the basics, so it allows me up to 10,000 visitors per month. And of course, if as soon as I start growing, I can just update to the Pro that offers me 250,000 visitors per month. And so that's it. I really enjoy it. So far so good. The customer service is tremendous. Any questions I had, I could just go to the support here. They have a lot of questions already answered, and I actually had one question that I emailed them and they responded really quick, so I'm happy about that. What else? And building the funnels, while is different than what I have today on Clickfunnels, it's as good as, or even better. It gives me a lot of flexibility of what to do. The pages are all mobile friendly pages, and like I said, I can build unlimited funnels and funnel steps, and that's really cool, and that is all inside of my blog. So once I have everything set up, it's gonna be just one source for everything. I'm gonna be able to rank on the search engines. That is something very, very important for me, because I don't wanna keep paying for advertisements. You know, this can really adds up, can really eat up your budget if you have to always pay for traffic. That's not good. And the price is good, right? The price, it really is good. $49 a month. It's really much cheaper than what I'm paying now. And cutting, when we think about the cost for hosting plus ClickFunnels plus link tracking services and this and that, so it really adds up to a lot of dollars in the end of the month. So anything I can save is good. And with Dropfunnels being everything included in one price, it's amazing, right? Alright, so this is my review. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna leave a link to Dropfunnels on the description of this video. If you want to try it out, just go there and start your 14-day trial, free trial. You're not gonna regret. And if you decide that is not for you, you can just cancel the trial within the 14 days. It's not going to cost you anything. But maybe you're going to be surprised like I was. If I had not done this review video for you guys, I would not have tried Dropfunnels, and I would not know what I was missing, honestly. Alright, so I wish you the best. I hope you stay safe, healthy, and be good, okay guys? I'll see you later.